In this video, I will show you how to change your Adobe password, both if you do know what it currently is and if you don't know what it currently is. If you do know what it currently is, just go to adobe.com, click on your profile picture in the top right and go to Manage Account. From there, in the right menu here, you can see password, so go and click on Change Password. And then first you need to enter your current password and then continue, and then write your new password and repeat it, and then click Update. After doing that, you will have updated or changed your password. If you don't know what it currently is, then just sign out and go to the sign in page, and first enter your email address, and then click continue, and then from there click on reset your password. Then they will send a code to your email address, and after entering that, you can then again set a new password and repeat it, and then click update. So that's how to change your Adobe password. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.